I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites. Face ID must be configured and active for iTunes and App Store. Once confirmed, open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top right to view account settings. Make sure you're signed into the Apple ID you intend to use for purchases. If you have alternate faces enrolled, pick the primary profile for purchases. This prevents misrecognition when you authorize downloads or in-app purchases. Now enable Face ID specifically for App Store purchases. Go to Settings, open Face ID and passcode, then toggle on iTunes and App Store. Once enabled, review your Apple ID payment method and billing address to avoid purchase rejections. Next, trigger a test by downloading a free app. When the Face ID prompt appears, position your face naturally. Don't move too fast. If the device asks for your passcode instead, that indicates Face ID. To finish, authorize the app or purchase with Face ID and confirm the transaction in your purchase history. If Face ID fails to authenticate, first try resetting Face ID or add an alternate appearance for improved recognition. These fixes often resolve occlusion or angle problems. Once done, restart the device and sign out, then sign back into your Apple ID if problems persist. That clears account glitches. For repeated failures, check for iOS updates or contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.